So we just finished bringing the fanveil up in front of our face. We do 3 chassés, right, left, right. We do the olé, and that brings the fan down to our side. So we can do hip circles. And we do 4 hip circles without wiggling the fanveil because it's all about the hips. Let's go into the next one, which is over the head figure 8s. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wiggle down, and I call this the curtsy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wiggle down into a curtsy. That's good. So we just finished the curtsy step, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wiggle down into curtsy. You're going to grab the fan veil with both hands and throw it up over your head so the veil ends up behind you. If there's a fan in the room, that might affect it, so it takes more effort. Then you do 6 mayas, starting with the right hip. And we look down at the hip. That's 2, that's 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we need to get rid of the fan veil from over our head. Do a pivot turn to the front. When you turn to the back, throw it down. When you turn back around, give it a nice sweep. And you're back at your beginning position to do the beginning chorus that we did at the beginning of the dance. So thank you.